I'm Michelle from Tuck Me Under, and we're here in this lovely Bailey Adamo to show you how our Tuck Me Under duvet covers work on an island shaped bed. So as you can see, this bed is lovely and neat. It's all been tucked in nicely just to make sure that there's enough space to being able to get around the bed, and making sure that you're not going to drag the duvet along with you when you're actually leaving the room. So how we make the duvet cover, and this is our lovely Colville hedgehog design. We have sealed down the duvet cover down both sides, so the bit that's actually tucking down the side and underneath is only the thinness of the cover, not all the bulk of the duvet. We've shaped the duvet on the inside, as you can see here, and we've created a pocket for the duvet to actually sit in. You can still get the duvet out of the bottom like you want at home, and then all we do to keep it nice and neat is tuck it under, hence the name Tuck Me Under, and then it will look nice and neat for the rest of the day. Now obviously when you're in the bed you just unfurl it all, we're not here to pin you in, and then it removes the weight off these corners here where the traditional square duvet, where usually when you're in the bed it keeps falling off, the waterfall effect we call it. So because we've actually shaped everything, it takes that pain away so that it makes it nice and easy for you to keep snug and warm at night. Well, thanks for watching our video. If you've got any questions, get in touch with us. Go to our website www.tuckmeunder.co.uk. Thank you.